Hello everyone, welcome to Admission Updates. I am sure all of you must have heard this news until now that JNU is going to conduct 2022 admissions through CUCET. Now there is other side like the teachers and students students unions are uh, uh, opposing this decision to conduct admission through CUCET. So in this video we will see what is the reason why teachers and students are opposing this decision. So let us start. First of all, this is the cutout of Indian Express, and here it is saying GNU to conduct admissions through CUET from 22 to 23 onwards. Then here is another cutout of NDTV Education, GNU admissions through CUCET from next year. Now let's see what happened yesterday, why teachers and students are opposing. Let us look at the decision taken by the admission authority first. So JNU Academic Council has decided to conduct admissions through CUCET to its various programs. Now CUCET is Central University's common entrance test, and it is conducted by National Testing Agency. Now what the Director of Admissions said about this decision. So he issued a note stating that the decision to adopt CUCET was overwhelmingly endorsed in the meeting. Why the admission authority has decided to admit candidates through CUCET, the reason given by them is that CUCET will provide a level playing field to the numerous eligible students from across the country, and it will reduce the burden of taking several entrance examinations. So through after qualifying CUCET, candidates need not appear in multiple entrance examinations, and they will be eligible for admission to the universities that accept the you can say marks or rank of the CUCET. Now, what is the admission process of JNU till date? So, until this year, JNU admissions were based on the JNU EE, which was conducted by again National Testing Agency. Now, why teachers and students are opposing? If this decision is in the favor of students, then why there is you can say there is opposition of this decision by teachers and students. So here are some points. Several teachers and students claimed that proper discussion were, weren't held before placing the proposal at the meeting. So the matter was not discussed with them properly prior to raising this issue in the meeting. Now, the Teachers Association said no discussion on CUCET took place even in that meeting. This is the second point why they are opposing. Now, the meeting, they said meeting ended without allowing any members to speak despite raising their hands. So, no member um, got the chance to speak about the matter or to present their views or their ideas on this subject, and they said it was only one of the several recommendations of the advisory committee to conduct admissions based on the CUCET. So it was only a recommendation to admit students to JNU through CUCET, and later on the committee recommended that JNU should conduct JNU EE as per the schedule through NTA. So all these points are the reasons why teachers and students unions are opposing, and the last point shared by the committee was in case of receiving any direction from Ministry of Education or UGC, the university will accordingly adopt and admit the students through CUCET. So it was decided to conduct the admission process through JNU, not through CUCET. This is the viewpoint of teachers and students unions, and that's why they are opposing. So this was the video related to the JNU admission 2022 through CUCET, and why teachers and students are opposing this idea. Thanks for watching, and subscribe the channel for other updates.